Okay. So this is a test, and I am, camera right? I don't know. We'll see. It looks crooked. But this is a test, and I have a new camera. Let's see what this looks like if I raise this a little bit. Is that too much? Okay. Okay. What do I like? Okay, so this is a test, and what I'm doing is I'm practicing using this new camera I got, and I had shot the Hangout on this phone, right? Using, where's that lens? Where's that lens? What the heck did I do with that lens? Sherry, where's the lens? Is it back here? I want a new lens. Look at that detail. You can see the crazy. You can see like the detail in the hair. Totally doing a natural hair thing, y'all. Okay. So I bought this lens, which is a cool lens, a wide angle lens to fit on my camera. And then I could shoot this way. I can shoot this way with my camera. But this is actually, I'm shooting on my computer, but I'm using a, no, Siri, I don't need you. You can try typing instead. Just tap on the word. Hush, Siri. Anyway, so I'm using, you can't see it, but I bought a new camera that's a HD 1080p Logitech, no, C9320, I don't know. Anyway, point is, new camera. So this is me practicing with this. I'm going to put up, you guys tell me, you'll see the video for the Hangout, which, you know, hey, I don't know what it looks like. I think it's okay. Anyway, just wanted to thank everybody for coming out for the Hangout tonight. It was such a joy. I've redone my set. You can see like it's completely different. I'm standing, which gives me way more energy. I don't know why I didn't stand before. I teach standing better. When you sit down, your energy sits down. Duh. But tonight was really great. And so we did the mental equivalent, and we worked on part 3, which was how to build the mental equivalent. And so what we focused on is what is it that I can do every day to establish the mental equivalent for what I want. Because oftentimes we change our minds, but we don't keep them changed, and we don't keep them changed because we don't form a new mental equivalent. And so that's what tonight's class is about. If you want to read the blog post, hold on, let me get the URL if I can say that right. The URL for tonight's blog, the blog is called The Secret to Effective Manifestation. That's what we're talking about, the secret to effective manifestation. I don't want to just manifest anything because I'm always manifesting. Every day I manifest stuff. But listen, I want to manifest the stuff that I want, not the stuff that I don't want. So we're talking about the secret to effective manifestation. And the blog URL is revsherry.com/effective-manifestation. You know what? revsherry.com/blog. If you go there, you'll bring it up. We bring up every blog, but like if they're in order, and that's the most recent one. So the secret to effective manifestation. Anyway, this is a test. I'm just seeing how this video looks because I have this amazing camera, and I shot with my iPhone camera. Anyway, very excited. A lot of great things that are happening. Those of you that are in Los Angeles, actually, you don't even have to be in Los Angeles, anybody. This year for Lent, we're doing something really special. We do something special every year for Lent. We always do Lent big. Lent is the 40 days ahead of Easter. It starts on March 6th this year, and we build Lent kits. I wonder if I have a kit. This is last year's kit. So last year's kit, just to give you a sense of like the kind of stuff that we do. Last year's kit came with this amazing journal. And then this thing, this is the money here. That May McCarthy, she came up with something. In fact, I finished this journal, but I actually still utilize all the things that she taught in her book, The Path to Wealth. And we had this, and then where's my book? Where my book is? My books end up all over the place. Your books end up all over the place. My books end up all over the place because I read in different places. Ah, here it is. The Path to Wealth. So that was last year's Lent Kit. This year, our text is Venice Bloodworth, Key to Yourself. Key to Yourself. And so we are focused on that text for this year coming, and it's going to be amazing. And what we want to give you is the key to yourself. We want to give you the key to unlock who you are. I don't know if you know how amazing you are. You are absolutely gifted. And what we want to do is we want to gift you with the key to yourself. We want to help you to unlock the treasure within. I have seen and believe with everything in my being that you have a seed within you that, when nurtured, will turn you into your own economy. And most of us haven't been taught how to pay attention to it. I'm not a conspiracy theorist, so I'm not going to say and tell you it's the government, it's or whatever. Point is, we didn't learn it. But at Up Church, one of the things that we teach you is how to look at and work with the seed that lies within you, that when nurtured right and operating under the right conditions will turn you into your own economy. That it provides for you, it provides for your family, and it has a ripple effect throughout your community. So we invite you to join us. You can go to, what's my Facebook page? Facebook.com. My computer's moving slow because I'm uploading the video from tonight's Bible Hangout. Facebook.com/upchurch. I better memorize that, huh? Facebook.com/upchurch. So I encourage you to please go over there. Do we have anything else about Lent over there? I'm sending you there. Oh, Sherry. Anyway, Lent is coming. The information will be up soon. I hope that you will be a part of it.